Welcome, welcome, welcome. If it is not a yes, a quiet yes, it is a no. There is something so beautiful about a quiet yes. What is a quiet yes? A quiet yes is basically a yes where you have a decision that you want to make, a pretty big decision, or even a small decision, and what you do, instead of making a decision from urgency, instead of making a decision from shame, instead of making a decision from lack, instead of making a decision from, excuse me, fear or missing out, you sit with yourself in silence. You close your eyes and you ask your higher self, what is my truth here? What is my truth here? And you honor whatever comes up. But you're not honoring answers from fear, from survival, from societal program. No, you're answering from your higher self. And the question is, can you honor what comes up? And I believe you can. If you're watching this video, if you found this transmission, it's because this message was meant for you right now with wherever you're at right now in your journey. Excuse me, your number code. However, this is what I want you to really feel into. I want you to really feel into the energy of your quiet chest. What is your quiet yes? Most of the time when we're working with picking, mentors or coaches or picking relationships, we unconsciously pick from urgency or fear. That always breaks under stress. What rather you do is pick from a quiet yes. Pick from the silence within inside of yourself and see what answer arises. Not any answer, but the answer that feels the most calm. Because maybe your higher self will never yell at you. It will be a soft, energetic knowing. Because you're here on this earth to really test your faith in the unseen. Test your faith in your own knowing over what other people say. So, follow your quiet yes. I don't give a fuck if anybody else don't agree with your quiet yes. If your quiet yes emanates from your higher self, from your internal knowing, no discussion needed. No discussion, say it out loud. No discussion needed. It's a clean cut. I have a beautiful story. I had a client who we worked together for a year. It was a beautiful work together. And we built her business out. We excuse me, redid her infrastructure. It was beautiful. At the end of the year, I said, hey, excuse me, I'm having, a few more months of coaching for anybody that wants coaching. If you want it, cool. If not, also cool. You're completely out of the way. And, when we was talking about the ins and outs of it and everything, I said, hey, I want you to pause for a second. I want you to take a deep breath in. I want you to just sit in your solar plexus, sit in your truth center. And I want you to ask yourself the question, what does your higher self say? What does your higher self say? Does your higher self say yes? Or do they say no? And whichever direction they say, let it be clean. If it's a yes, let it be a clean yes. If it's a no, let it be a clean no. And so I said, do that. So she waited. She waited for 2 minutes in silence. I'm chilling. I'm vibing. I love silence. You know what I mean? I'm vibing. You know what I mean? Whoop-de-dee-dope. And then, with her eyes closed, she says, in this season of my life, I say no. And I said, if it's final, let it be final. She said, yeah, it's final. And I saw her, her aura opened up. It was beautiful. Like a smile emanated from her consciousness. And that, I believe, taught her more probably than the whole year of working with me. Because some things are caught, not taught. And, I told her, I said, hey, take this with you in all your client work. Like, hey, like, ask clients when they're making decisions, hey, pick the quiet yes. Not the loud yes, not the quick yes. Not the, excuse me, socially approved yes. The quiet one. Because the quiet one, that is where your true voice is. If this resonated with you, if you feel the energy, the temple is now open. The winter season is now open inside the temple. If you click on the link below, you'll have all the information that you need about the temple. Welcome in. If you want to know about my 2026 highest timeline event masterclass replay, click the link below. Or depending on what time of the season it is, I may be hosting another masterclass. You click on the link below. If you click on that masterclass link, it will take you to whatever is going on. It may be a replay from the last one or a sign up for the next live one, whichever one it is. You can click on that link right there. And with that being said, also, if you want to venture further into the courses and the teachings and the ontology, you can go into the cosmic library that we have below. And with that being said, if it resonates, go forward. If it doesn't, leave cleanly. Either way, you are complete. For those that resonate, I see you inside. Peace.